Ah, yes. UG Firestarter, the content creator program, if you will. It's cool. So that's why I applied for it. But some of you have been theorizing that you need over 1,000 subscribers to get in. But that is just certainly not true. If you think it is, then what does this say, huh? What does it say? Tell me. Videos don't need to be perfect, but should show effort and originality. To get into the program, 1,000 plus subscribers is recommended! So that means you have been spreading false accusations, and you are wrong for saying that it's required. It's recommended, and we both know it. Checkmate KDO VR. Oh yeah, and also subscribe.